This is a story of a proud rose.
One sunny day, there were a beautiful rose plant, a sunflower, a cactus, and a pine tree in the garden. The rose was very proud of its beauty.
It seems like I am the most beautiful flower here. I can see everyone is admiring me.
However, the rose was disappointed to grow next to a cactus.
But how unlucky am I to be growing next to this ugly plant full of thorns?
The pine tree tried to stop the rose from bullying cactus, but the rose was too swayed by its beauty.
Hey Rose, what are you talking about? Who can say what beauty is? Every plant here is beauty on its own.
There are many beautiful plants here. You were just one of them.
Every day, the rose would insult the cactus about its looks, but the cactus stayed quiet.
Go away, you ugly cactus. You do not fit to be here with a beautiful flower like me.
One day, it was scorching and dried all the plants. The rose began to wilt.
Oh my, I am wilting. Why is it so hot here?
Then, the rose saw a sparrow dipped its beak into the cactus for some water. The rose desperately asked the cactus for some water too.
Cactus, can I have some water, please?
The rose was still ashamed to ask for some water from the cactus after insulting it before this, but the cactus was very kind to forgive it and gave the rose some water. "Oh, Rose, of course you can have some." The rose began to appreciate the cactus, and they both got through the summer as friends.
Thank you so much, cactus. I am so sorry for being mean to you all this time.
It is okay, Rose. You are welcome.
Moral of the story: never judge anyone by the way they look, and always remember to be kind and be humble.
The Peacock and Crane. Once upon a time, there was a peacock and a crane who lived in a jungle. They never fought with each other, and they would sometimes barely talk to each other. The peacock would every day walk to the banks of a river in the jungle. He will look on the river and often praise for its own beauty. "Oh, what a beautiful bird I am! Look at my colorful tail!" One day, Crane was passing from the banks of the river. The peacock came across the crane and started mocking him by saying that the crane is ugly. "Look at my beautiful tail! What have you got to compare with this? What a colorless bird you are! You have no beautiful and colorful feathers like mine." The crane agreed and instantly replied,
Well, that's true, of course. I don't have beautiful feathers. But I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars. I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory. My feathers can make me fly across a lake. Can your feathers make you fly?
There was no reply from the peacock. The crane spread his broad wings and flew up towards the sun. The peacock stood where he was like, while the crane rapidly glided in freedom far up across the clouds into the blue sky. The end.
Five little seeds. 5 little seeds, 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers, and 2 will make weeds. Under the leaves and under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower, and up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up come 2 funny old weeds.
Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons, 4 in all. Weather changes, sun and rain and snow. Leaves fall down and flowers grow. Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons, 4 in all. Look outside and you will see just what season it will be. Winter, spring, summer, fall. There are seasons, 4 in all.
Hi there! Let's meet the rainbow. Wow! Look at that! Rainbows has 7 colors. Let's read a poem about rainbows, shall we? Okay, let's start. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue, indigo, and purple are in there too, shining brightly way up high. I see a rainbow in the sky. Rain and sun work together, making it my favorite weather. The end.
Thank you for watching.